Hey everyone, welcome back. Imagine you ventured into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, bought some Bitcoin on Newton, and now you want to use it. Maybe you want to trade it for another coin, buy an NFT, or just move it to a secure wallet you control. But how do you get your crypto off Newton and into the wild? Fear not, Crypto Explorer, because today we're diving deep into how to transfer your crypto from Newton to an external wallet. Now, before we set sail, a quick heads up. Transferring crypto can involve fees, so always double-check the costs before hitting that send button. Also, make sure you have the correct wallet address. Sending crypto to the wrong address is like sending a treasure map to a deserted island. Your treasure is gone forever. Alright, with safety warnings out of the way, let's grab our virtual shovels and get transferring. There are two main ways to transfer crypto from Newton, through the web browser or the mobile app. We'll walk you through both methods so you can choose your captain's favorite course. First up, transferring via your web browser. Log into your Newton account and set your sights on the glorious dashboard. Look to the right side, matey. See that upward-facing arrow? That's your ticket off the island. Click it, and a treasure trove of options will appear. Set your course for crypto to wallet. This is where the real adventure begins. Now comes the crucial part, choosing your destination. You'll see a list of your saved wallet addresses. If you haven't set up a wallet yet, hit the brakes and check out some tutorials on choosing a secure one. Once your trusty wallet is prepped, you can add its address to your Newton account for easy future transfers. With your destination locked in, enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Remember, even the smallest islands have fees, so factor those in. Don't be hasty, Captain. Before you set sail, double-check everything: the address, the amount, the fees. Once you're sure it's all shipshape, click Review Withdrawal. Give it one last look-through. Happy with your plan? Then hit Withdraw Funds, and your crypto will be on its way to your new home. Prefer the convenience of your phone? No problem. Here's how to transfer using the Newton app. Open the app and navigate to the bottom of the screen. See those handy icons? You want the one that looks like an arrow pointing outwards. That's your transfer button. Just like on the web browser, switch to the Withdraw tab and select Crypto to Wallet. The rest is smooth sailing. Follow steps 4 to 7 from the web browser instructions, choosing your address, entering the amount, reviewing, and finally, withdrawing your crypto. And there you have it. Your crypto has successfully escaped the Newton Island and is now free to roam the vast crypto seas, or whatever cool things you have planned for it. Here are some bonus tips to keep your crypto voyage smooth. Always transfer a small amount first as a test to make sure everything works before sending your entire treasure chest. Be patient. Depending on the network, it can take some time for your crypto to arrive at its destination. Keep your wallet information secure. Don't share your private key with anyone, and consider using two-factor authentication for added protection. With these tips and the steps above, you'll be a crypto transferring pro in no time. Now, get out there and explore the exciting world of crypto. But remember, always be cautious and do your research before making any big moves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.